I spend a lot of time thinking about and asking high-performing employees why they don't like their jobs. And my friends who work in corporate America, they're high performers. They really have two complaints that make them totally dislike a work environment. Number one is the boss makes decisions and moves very slowly, meaning they see something that they need and want to change. They go to the boss and say, hey, I have an idea of how we can make this business better. The boss talks a big game. Oh yeah, Nick, we can do all those things, and then does nothing. 3 months go by, absolutely nothing happens. That is super frustrating. Number two is they're surrounded by people who let them down, don't do their jobs, and basically C players who do the bare minimum and cause them a lot of stress. So employees hate their jobs when they're surrounded by C players and the boss makes very slow decisions. So if you can act with a sense of urgency and get things done at your business and try to make the lives easier of these top performers, and you get rid of and fire these C players, you're going to build an amazing culture. I have a theory on work culture that your business falls to the level that you tolerate, the competence level that you tolerate. So if you put up with C players, if people make mistakes and don't have any consequences, if these folks who can't make decisions and can't do their job well are, coddled along and kept in the work environment, all your A players are going to leave, and your entire organization over 6 months, a year, whatever it might be, will fall to the level of that competence, and you'll end up with a C-level organization.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.